We are May 29th making some corn salsa. So how many peppers do you think that plant had on it? Oh, that plant had about 52 peppers. Here they are. And then this plant over, wait, this one here with all the bumpy stuff on it, that had about 13 or 14 or so. And then this one over here, which is a, well, my mouth's still burning a little bit. This one over here, which is a chocolate reaper, this has got about 15 on it. So we're going to put those in some salsa. So I don't know, I haven't done the math yet, but I'm pretty sure it's like about 70, 50, 60, 70, almost 80 peppers. Oh, and I didn't even pick any of the primo talis yet. I got a few of those that I could pick. Oh. Saved a couple of them on here. Remember that one? Oh, look at the... Try to focus camera. Oh, look at that. I love this pepper. That's one of my favorite. I'm going to eat that one all, and I might chomp that. No, I don't think I will. What do you think, girlie? You going to chomp any peppers today? No. Whew. All right, here. I'm not sure. I'm 50, 65, 75, 85, 90. I think there's close to 100 Trinidad Chocolate Scorpions alone. Plus there's some, these are the chocolate reapers down to like 15 of those. Ooh, they got some nice color. They're not totally all... Those are, look at the color of these things. I just love the color. I don't know what it is. I've always loved the chocolate peppers, the color, the bumps, but yeah, so harvested a bunch of peppers right in the sun. 50 of these down at the bottom, 60, 70 up here, 80 plus with the ghosts in there, and then there's another dozen on top, and I got probably 15 or 30 more that I could pick. Look at that. Look can you see with your eyes? That is what a Trinidad Moruga chocolate scorpion pepper looks like. That's probably one of the most beautiful peppers I've ever grown. But I'll do better. Ooh, look at the little thorns and bumps and... Hey, that's actually some good lighting there. And the chocolate ghosts, or chocolate reapers, these are chocolate reapers, I'm sorry. I believe chocolate Carolina reapers, but they were sold as chocolate reapers. So I gotta shell all these out, get rid of the seed, or separate the seeds, save the seeds, and mash all of this up into some pulpy, delicious hotness.